Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction of the Rodgers apartment building, and that's it straight ahead, the building that has a crane beside it. And this building is being built in New Kingston. Actually, it's being built on Waterloo Avenue, and this building is going to be 20 stories, and this is going to be the tallest building in Jamaica when finished. Now there you can see two other buildings beside it, and you can see how much taller this building is than the one to the left of it. Well, this building is still under construction, as you can see, and it's going to be luxury apartments in it when it's finished. The building will have 100 units in it. And there you can see a very nice view, and this will show you just how much taller the building is. Gives you an idea when you look at the building beside it. Now, currently, the tallest building in Jamaica is the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, which is also in New Kingston. And that's 17 stories or 17 floors. This building, the Rodgers, is going to be 20 floors. But the Rodgers won't be the tallest building in Jamaica for very long, because another building is scheduled to start construction next month, February 2023, and that building is going to be the Ascent. I think the official name is the Ascent at Oxford, and that building is going to be 27 stories. So when the Ascent is finished, that will be the tallest building in Jamaica. And then the Ascent won't be the tallest building in Jamaica for very long either, because another building is being built in Montego Bay. Actually, the construction hasn't started yet. And it's going to be 4 towers or 28 floors each. So a lot of construction is going on in Jamaica, especially Kingston and Montego Bay. Now, if you notice, the trend nowadays is not to build like gated communities. It's to build these high-rise buildings. I don't know if it's because of the space, because as you can see, there's a limited amount of space where this building is being built. And the two buildings to the left, it's coming into view now, they're actually built across the road from each other. So the space is really limited, but these are some very nice buildings that are going up. Very impressive. The Rodgers is scheduled to finish in 2025. And this is a very nice view of the city of Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below.